In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the split view in Adobe Acrobat. This feature can be incredibly useful if you find yourself needing to view multiple sections of a PDF document simultaneously. Whether you're comparing pages, double-checking information, or simply trying to multitask efficiently, the split view allows you to manage your PDF viewing experience more effectively. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you don't already have it, make sure it's installed and updated to the latest version to ensure you have access to all of its features, including split view. Once the application is up and running, the next step is to open the PDF you want to work with. Simply navigate to File in the top menu, then choose Open, and select your document from its location on your computer. Now, to enable the split view, go to the View option in your top menu bar. Clicking on this will provide you with several options, but today, we want to focus on the one labeled Split. Selecting this will immediately divide your screen, giving you two separate panes to work within your PDF. Keep in mind, this is a temporary viewing mode. It doesn't alter the PDF itself, but simply provides a more versatile way to read through its contents. With your screen now split, it's time to choose your preferred orientation. Adobe Acrobat offers two options, split vertically or split horizontally. Vertical splitting is particularly handy for reading lengthy documents side by side, such as academic papers or lengthy reports, while horizontal splitting is often used for a clearer overview of content that includes diagrams or images. Depending on how you want to compare your pages or what part of the document you're working with, you can easily switch between these two options. Once you've made your choice, you're free to adjust the divider line between the two panes. This is done by clicking and dragging the line to resize them according to your preference. If, for instance, one section of the document requires more focus, just slide the line to give that section a larger viewing area. This feature is particularly useful if you're working with documents of varying content density or if one section requires more detailed inspection. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you now know how to utilize split view in Adobe Acrobat to enhance your document viewing and multitasking capabilities. This feature is invaluable for anyone looking to optimize their workflow and ensures you're getting the most out of your PDF reading experience. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. Until next time, happy reading!